My name's Nick over at navigatornick.com, showing you how to get the most bang for your travel buck. I would definitely choose this bag based on looks and also how smooth the wheels are. The trolley system leaves a little bit to be desired, and it's very heavy. I'd say that the side bumpers offer good protection, and the material feels like it's gonna last a long time on the. Now, in all my bags, I had an Apple AirTag because lost luggage and theft can occur. It's a small investment for peace of mind. I'll leave a link to Amazon's sale in the description below. Built-in TSA locks, which is really nice. And this bag has a clamshell style opening. So the inside here you have two compression pockets. Out of all the bags I reviewed, this one is definitely one of the nicest. And another section over here, which of course there is no trolley. So I'm going to quickly pack this suitcase like I'm leaving for a trip. Okay, so these are some of the packing cubes that I use. They're just cheap $20 packing cubes on Amazon. And the reason for packing cubes is to compress your clothes into these bags to save on space. There you have it, pretty simple. Obviously I could throw some stuff in the pockets right here. Let's see this side as well. Overall, this bag is super nice and, dare I say, sexy. Is that a thing? Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, happy travels and keep on navigating.